How did I not learn this before? This is the most delicious dessert I've ever eaten. Start by adding 150 grams of unsalted butter into a large skillet over medium to low heat. Then add 150 milliliters of water and stir until the butter melts. When that happens, add 300 grams of milk biscuits and stir until the biscuits dissolve completely. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. When that happens, transfer everything to a large bowl. Add 50 grams of condensed milk and mix everything very well until combined. This is the right mix. Now transfer this mixture to a cake pan lined with non-stick baking paper. Spread it out evenly and set aside. Now, in a large saucepan, add 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of vanilla-flavored pudding powder, 2 liters of milk. Turn the heat to medium-low and keep mixing everything very well until it thickens slightly. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right consistency. Now, divide this cream into 2 large bowls, and in one of them, add 200 grams of white chocolate, and mix until combined. Then, in the other bowl, add 200 grams of milk chocolate, and mix until smooth. Then, to assemble the dessert, place the bottom part of a small plastic bottle in the center of the cake pan with the biscuits, and add the creams, alternating them just like I'm doing. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Then, remove the bottle from the center and continue pouring the remaining creams. Finally, use a skewer to decorate the dessert just like I'm doing. It should look like this. Take the dessert to the fridge and let it chill for at least 3 hours. This is the right consistency. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.